Chris, I want to buy a house. What is the first step in buying a house? Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. We're talking about exactly what is the very first step in buying a property. Who do you meet with? What do you have to do? The very first step in buying a property, as I say in a few other videos, the very first step is this. Whoa, wait, hold on. I'm going to give y'all that in a minute. You're thinking about buying a property. What do you need to do? You need to get all of your eggs in order, all of your ducks in a row. So now, the first person that you call, you definitely call a lender. You call a lender. The lender comes before the realtor. The lender comes before the agent. When you call an agent, the agent is going to ask you, are you pre-approved? That's going to be the first question they ask you after your name if you didn't introduce yourself. It's going to be, are you pre-approved? That's the very first step. The very first step in buying a property. You have to talk to a lender. You have to talk to a mortgage loan originator, a mortgage loan officer. You have to. Why? Because we need to see, as agents, we need to see exactly what it is that you can afford. It's very important for us to do that. You may think, well, I make $250,000 a year. My credit is this, so I'm going to get pre-approved for $3 million. That shouldn't be a problem. So now I take you out to look at properties for 2.5, 2.7, and now you find a property that you love and you want to put an offer in. So now you call your local lender, whoever it may be, and now you're giving your paper, giving everything. And let's say time is on your side. They don't accept no other offers. Nobody else comes in. You offer 2.7 on this $2.5 million property because you really want it. You want to lock it down. And guess what happened? You're only pre-approved for $2 million. Oh! The heartbreak happens. The heartbreak happens, and then you're mad at Chris. You're mad at everybody instead of being mad at yourself, okay? I'm sorry to say it like that, but it's true. You have to get pre-approved first. That's the very first thing. Also, let's say you're looking around for $2.5 million properties, and you actually can be approved for 2.5 or 2.7 or whatever it is, maybe even 3 to 4 million. And your credit is good, your income is good, nobody's doing anything, so on and so forth. And then guess what? Now you have to give in your paperwork. It's taking the bank a week. It's taking the bank 2 weeks to get back to you. Something's going on with the system. Something happened here. Somebody got sick. System's down. It's a blackout, so on and so forth. And you know what happens? Somebody who came that was already prepared scoops that property up from under you, and now you're very upset. Who you upset with? You're upset with Chris. You're upset with everybody in the world instead of being upset with yourself. Get pre-approved first. That's the very, very, very first step in getting a house. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Let's say, right, you find a property, you can actually be pre-approved for whatever amount it is. The lending doesn't take too bad, so on and so forth. And like nobody else is interested in the property, so there's no danger of somebody taking it away, right? But you didn't get pre-approved. So the odds are in your favor. You don't know that they're in your favor, but the odds are in your favor for you getting a pre-approved, and nobody else seen the property, so on and so forth, or they seen it, but it doesn't work for them. So now the odds are in your favor. You know you can get this. Pre-approval happens, and guess what? Your husband or your wife or whoever it is never told you that they co-signed for their cousin Larry's motorcycle, and he hasn't paid his dues on that motorcycle in over 3 months. Oh, you guys made sure your bills were good. You guys made sure your credit was good. You guys made sure your income was great. However, cousin Larry, he got his motorcycle repossessed. They didn't tell anybody. That comes up, and now you can't get the property that you want. So now you're upset with everybody instead of being upset with yourself. So listen to Chris, okay? Listen to Chris. Get pre-approved first. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.